Hello, friends. This is not a Kerala PSC HSA English class, but something about the HSA classes that I upload in my channel. So, I'm happy to inform you that I have successfully completed Module 1 Poetry of the Kerala PSC HSA English syllabus. If you are watching this video for the first time, please go and check out my classes. I have also made a playlist. There you can see line by line interpretations of the poems of Module 1. Totally, there are 22 classes of Module 1 Poetry, and you can see my first class. It's a combination of two poems, Sonnet 121 and A Valediction Forbidding Morning. In the first class, you will be able to see I have just gone through the main points of those two poems, but because of some requests I got later, I have changed my way of taking classes. So the further classes you can see from class 2 onwards, I have taken the line by line interpretation of each and every poems. So I took about 3 to 4 parts for longer poems, and short poems there is only one part or one video. And please, friends, don't leave the poems, because every poems are important for the exam, and watch the video till the end, because at the end of each poems I have given a bonus question session in which I have discussed on the other topics: Renaissance and freedom movement, general knowledge and current affairs, and methodology of teaching the subject. So there will be about 22 questions I have discussed on at the end of every poem class. Hope you will enjoy it. So very soon I'll be starting module 2 drama, and of course it is difficult to go with the line by line interpretations, so I'll be going through the major points, the main points that we have to take care while going through the drama. So but there is a little change this time. I have just completed the bonus question session, and I have just decided to incorporate module 6 and 7, that is a modern English language and basic grammar, instead of more bonus question session. That means you will be only able to watch those bonus questions on module 1 classes, so that we can cover the syllabus easily. So there will be no separate classes for module 6 and module 7, and we will be able to complete the syllabus with a fast pace. Yes, one more thing. There was some suggestions on including expected questions from each topic, but I couldn't do it on module 1 classes because of the time limit. I want my classes to be about maximum 12 to 14 minutes. If I include the expected question session also, then it will it will become longer, so some of you will not find it convenient to watch such a long video classes. So but from next module onwards, I'm planning to discuss on the expected questions of each topic. So I hope all of you will enjoy it. Please stay tuned with my channel for the notifications of my classes, and please share and subscribe my classes. Share it with your friends so that others also will get help. So Stay safe, guys. Be happy. Take care. And lots of love. Thank you for all your support, your lovely comments and suggestions. Of course, you can give more suggestions on my classes. I'll try to make better improvements in future classes. Okay. So, thank you.